Hey, here's my mini kitchen scale. This is good for up to 500 grams. This works great for measuring out food, medicine, jewelry, just smaller things around your house. So here's the scale itself. It comes with two plastic covers. You can also use these as trays to measure whatever you need to measure. This works great for small items. Turns right on. You can cycle through various units of measurement, but I usually keep it on grams. And to demonstrate the measurement reading, does read pretty quickly. Nice bright display screen, 83.18 grams right there. As far as the power for this, it does use two AAA batteries. I've had this a few years and I have not had to switch them out yet. But I really like that this is easy to clean. You just wipe off your top of the scale and then it packs right up and you can just store this in any drawer in your kitchen.